Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Get a nice shot of espresso with good crema. Let's test the steam. Okay, and we're back. I just had to turn up the steam pressure because it wasn't high enough. So let's go ahead and test the steam again. You can see we have a nice strong steam pressure. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.